What's up, guys? Today we're going to be cleaning these filthy battery terminals from built-up corrosion. Start by unscrewing the nuts on the terminals and then remove the terminals from the battery. Make sure your car is off and everything including your lights is off first. If there is a lot of corrosion built up, you may need something like a flathead screwdriver to pry the terminal apart. Once you've removed the terminals, spray a battery cleaner on the battery posts and the terminals. I'm using CRC battery cleaner that you can pick up from your local automotive supply store. It sprays on as a yellow foam and then turns a pinkish color when it comes to contact with battery acid. Use a battery post and terminal brush that you can also pick up from your local automotive supplier to remove any remaining corrosion that's still left on the terminals and the battery posts. Wipe the cleaner off of your battery and terminals using a rag. Reinstall the terminals onto the battery posts and tighten them down. Now you should be all set. Thanks for watching the video and make sure to subscribe.